Now, in this situation, there is a big, I wouldn't say reason, a big tip, but this is a bit of perspective. When you're going out and why you're filming, you need to know that specific reason. Know your why. What is the purpose of you going out and capturing this drone footage? Is it just to drain your battery to 20 or 30%? Okay, that's a good reason, but at the same time, when you're going out, just imagine why is and think of what is the purpose of this footage. How are you going to be using it? Are you going to tell a story for something like a vlog? Then you know what to capture in this drone footage. It's going to help to make sure that you're not going to get footage that you will need um, to delete afterwards, and you're not going to be spending just a lot of extra time filming stuff, which is fun at times, but at the same time, that's not going to be used. So if you're just going out to have fun and fly the drone around, well, that's great. And don't go, don't look down on yourself if the footage does not look that good or the photos do not come out that great. If you're going out to take a photograph, find something specific, do your research like we were talking about earlier, and know exactly what you need to be able to capture in this shot. Obviously, it's going to be your angle, obviously, it's going to be your perspective, but just understanding why you're going out and why you're filming or why you're taking photos is going to make a big difference when it comes to actually flying and capturing what it is that you're trying to capture. This is, the worst part in this situation would be to go somewhere you have limited battery life, you have limited time of light, and or it's it's started to get windy or it's about to rain and you have very limited time. Obviously they're not the best case scenarios to fly your drone regardless. At the same time you need to get as much footage of that location. And if you have an image, if you have an idea of what you're willing, and if you have an idea of what you want to keep from this flight, you're gonna know what to have in that, what to include in your drone footage when you're flying the drone. So make sure you do that, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one. Do leave your questions down below or your specific drone tips, and if they're good enough, I'm gonna be covering them in the next clip. Till the next one, fly safe, do like, do subscribe, and I'm gonna be seeing you soon.